In this short video I will show you how to get out from this dead end that sometimes can happen when you make background netting. So the first and a very important thing that you will insert the thread into the motif close to the area where you will start your netting. So I already inserted my thread into motif and I can start crocheting background netting. In situations like this one, if you, for instance, right in here somewhere, and you are going and crocheting from that part, from the top, you can come this way and build a small sections of background netting and go this direction and make a kind of turn like this to come into this scooped area. And then after that crochet from one side to another. Go in one direction, connect to one side, go in another direction, connect to this side, and so on. And you this way get out from this dead end. So here you will see how I do that. In this place I have this motif here, so it's easy for me to connect to motif first, and then I can go and build my background netting in this area and go out. And so here I will make a chain. And connect to the chain right in here. I'm trying to see if the netting will make sense if it's not too long chain. So here you have to be very careful. Connect. Connect into next section. Now I connect with a treble crochet, made very short chain, but again I will have to look at what I have and how it looks like. Not always it looks the way you want, but after blocking your netting will look very different. So I'm satisfied with this part, but I'm not sure I like this section, so I will undo this. It's okay sometimes to change what you made into something else. It seems to me that I better have a longer chain. And this time I will skip one section and connect to a different one. So as you see, I build one row and I can connect here and then come back and go this direction. So I will see first, I will make sense out of it somehow, and it will be treble crochet in this area. See if it makes sense what I made. Look like it works very well. And I can connect and go back, connect it right in here. And sometimes it makes sense to remove some of those pins to see where to connect better. And I also like to hold the chain that I just made and with the thread move around to see where to connect better, what will make better sense, if I will connect there or there. So we'll see, I will connect right in here. Make 3, and I will connect here to the motif with just pull threads through the motif, slip stitch. Pick up the last stitch on a chain and pull it through. Secure with a chain, and now I build one direction, then I came back, and now I can go and continue crochet from left to right, right to left, and so on. Again, I can connect right in here. Now with double crochet right in this spot. And as you see, I sometimes make really short chains. Like right now I made chain 2 only. And I can connect to this spot with triple crochet, or I can make one more, chain 3. Will it look nice or not? We'll see. Rotate my board. And I will connect right in here. It looks like it does make some sense. Can support this area. And I can go this way, that way. I better go and connect here. And this right in here is kind of tricky part. The chain, as you see, kind of have this really pronounced arch, so I better connect there. And believe me, you will figure out those areas, how to get out from them also on your own. There's no recipe really. I'm just showing you how easy to get out from this place. It's not something to panic about and worry about this. Now it's better to go and close this small dead end, and then we can go move out into the bigger space of your netting. So I will continue, and this time I will go from left to right. Probably make a little bit bigger section here. And see what I will do here. Probably a little bit too long. And probably I will have a very small section here. Don't be afraid of having smaller, very small sections. You can sometimes move it like that. And it does look fine, a very small little area, which is okay. And again, I can connect. I better connect to motif, like right now. Again, I will take my hook out and connect somewhere to the motif. Pull this chain through. And the place where I always connect will be like that. I'm still not sure, but you can see how I'm sometimes taking it apart to do it again, but it's okay. It takes sometimes longer time to go through these places, simply because you have to make it right and look nicer. So I will probably go and make a chain right in there. Like this. For now everything looks good. And we can connect right in here. And if I do not like what I made, I always can unravel. Don't afraid to go a few more sections down. And as you see, I'm almost out of this dead end. It was here, and I am in open area more, so I can continue crochet. But it's still nice to crochet in such a way that you will basically go away from the dead end. You don't want to stuck there again. So I will connect right in here. And it's easier to rotate. Like this. And here I can go this direction a little bit and come back and fill out this space and go out. So this is basically the idea how to do this. I basically showed you a lot in this place. I had a very big hole in here, kind of dead end, and I filled it out. This is how you work.